Now the reason BTC did not update its broken ascending channel, it's a bullish channel, is because already creating a descending channel alongside the ascending channel. We have two channels in this swing. So in this rally, we have a bullish ascending channel and a bearish ascending channel. And there is a little bit you know interrelationship here. The strategy is like this: we look for channel in channel. Here we have an ascending channel and a bearish channel all intersecting. Now let me change the color so that you get to understand it properly. We need to make it simple. And let me change this to black. So you see this is an ascending bullish channel and this is a bearish channel. Now the market is trying to take correction. For the market to take correction, it has to change from characteristics of a bullish trend to a bearish trend. So for a bullish trend, you have higher, 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 low, higher, 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 low, higher, higher, low. Now it's trying to take correction, so it has to start lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. So this is just a strategy, and the way you look at it like this, if you don't apply maximum care, you won't be able to know where to sell or where to buy. But you see, the market is well structured. At the end of the day, the market already know where it's going to sell and where it's going to buy. It's I know it's something a lot of people do not know, but it is what it is. For every time you see a buy, it's already programmed. Every time you see a sell, it's programmed. So it's not a coincidence. Now, what happened is that there is a swing at this level, and the market is still avoiding the floor. And that swing is as a result of this breakout. You have a breakout in this level, and after the breakout, this is a strong support area where price has shown a significant push. If you look at it from here, you switch your line chart, you see that market have shown a strong order block at this zone. And with this rejection candle here, it's bearing witness that this is an order block region. And another thing to understand is that I must take break of structure here very personal. You have break of structure at this level. This break of structure can be seen this way, also bearing witness of a potential buy opportunity on this floor. So now this becomes our descending trend line. So that descending trend line, I watch quickly to see how price returns to that descending trend line for opportunity to go up. So at that level, you'll be watching it, and on technical, whatever goes up must come down. And funny enough, the market is going through correction. It's going through correction. I know the bullish phase is still very much bullish, but it's healthy to go through correction. Whenever the market raise liquidity for uptick to sustain BTC above 100K will require much capital flow. So don't think it's something that will come easy, because a lot of institutions are very skeptical, and they understand that this thing could be dumped by other institutions too who have higher holding, right? So if you push this into 100K and a company that has over 2,000 or 3,000 BTC, you could cash out. And cashing out such volume will begin to send price spiral tanking. So this is the structure we have. So for now, we may we may want to keep this for reference. We want to keep it for reference. Now we have a bullish ascending channel. You can see the color red. Now price is creating a roof, creating a floor, creating a roof, creating a floor. So what happens here is its characteristics of uptrend. You see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And price, in fact, the new low broke out of structure, and after breaking out of structure, price came down and started creating a new channel deviating from the ascending bullish channel. Now we have a bearish channel. Now you have price moving itself instead of going that direction, start doing lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It's more like consolidation, but you can see it's deviating from the main characteristics of the trend. So in this case now, we cannot say this is completely going down, but at the moment market is consolidating. It's taking time consolidating, but while it is consolidating, it's not making a clear high. So what does that mean? That the market will continue to go down. On technical, what I see that this pair will do is it will continue to do this kind of movement until it gets to the floor. And on the floor, we look out for potential bullish opportunity, and that will be in the zone of around 86K, 85K. So let's see if price manage to come here from now till Sunday. If that happens, that will be a good time to see price come down to the zone. Around 86K, we expect a buy opportunity and all. And if you look at it critically, you see that also coincide with another strong demand floor where we're also looking at for price. So on technical, I could see this thing just start one day. I mean, it could just happen one day, and so all this cap will really not matter if the market is taking a bearish turn. All this capping will really not matter. So this strategy is also scalping where you look out for, 100p, 200p. If you can get it, yeah, and then you can see price making a false upswing, and it's clearly rejecting it. But it's up to it. It's up to it. It's making a fake move. Let's take the 50% off all of them. Let's see. So now, what's next for the markets? You see price making a fake move and at the same time rejecting it. But the price action on that level, is a nice price action. Very nice, nice price action. So let's go back and see what price has done there. It's the resistance roof, the supply roof, and this is supply roof on the channel. This is another supply roof. Break out of the supply roof. That break construction. Price returns are retest one, retest two, retest three, all on the demand floor. Break of the demand floor, price gave one retest. That's respecting that structure. So what I want to see price do is find a way if it's possible and come down to this level. But if it's not possible, that's fine. But we have another structure at this level, which we must also bear in mind that might come for a retest. So if that area is defeated, and this was actually where gave birth to this bullish move that completed the roof of the descending channel. So I want to see a retest into this zone. So most likely, in the normal fashion of BTC price movement, it may want to dip itself into a higher sell zone and the price returning to a higher sell zone because the market is well calibrated. It's well calibrated. In fact, the most accurate price action, BTC has one of the best price action. If you actually trade market structure, you understand that BTC have one of the best. And I've been paying special attention to it, and so I'm not interested in anything trading BTC, but as we study the strategies and look at the success ratio of the strategy, then we might want to go into futures. Yeah, that's where the cash is in the future. So I want to see a retest. So technically, I'll be watching a breakup. It's descending trend line, and that price will turn here, where we look for an opportunity to sell it again. And I'm estimating that to happen on Sunday. If they want to keep this tight, then the vertical line strategy is saying that Sunday is possible. Tap into 99. 2179 again for a strong bearish drop. And when you look at it, some of the things that gave us that impetus is the price action we have here. We have here demand flow, we have here demand flow, we have here break of demand structure price can be test supply roof and break of the supply roof price of your on the money and went straight to 102. Rejected it because what the channel has been completed. The market has completed its defensive travel. Sellers are already tired. Here is where they have the bearish order block. And these things are the concept of order block is changing, and the way you define order block is also changing because institutions have found a way to play in a different way that will smart retail traders. See, this strategy helps you to know where others are. And the funny thing is that the strategy does not show you other blocks as cluster, but at the end of the day, when you apply it properly over a period of time, you actually know where to buy and where to sell, and it happens. So that tells you the market is calibrated. I already tells you. So look at the floor. Let's get this thing. Let's get this thing out. Let's get this thing out fast. So let's get over this. Focus on something. So this is what we see out there. You want price to come back, forget about here, don't be in a hurry, allow this level to be broken, allow the 90 level to be broken, and let price return to 96, 96, 678. Save the date. It coincides with this structure where we have a strong support structure. We have a strong support structure. This place, break of structure and a retest, and it's waiting for another retest. And that retest will come as a coincidence to coincide with the flow of the descending bearish channel. It's still in an uptrend. Of course, for an uptrend market to become downtrend, it has to go through a bearish process, and that is what price is doing at the moment. So this is how we analyze BTC using our home viewing strategy. It's very orthodox, but I can tell you the result is the same. That's the first BTC USD.